Family business dynasties encounter more complex succession processes than general family businesses because succession must often pass through many more siblings, cousins, in-laws, and family branches. But despite predictions that these dynasties should disappear in modern economies, many persist and thrive. So how do some family business dynasties persist across generations while others fall apart? By studying 6 long-running family business dynasties in Western countries, some lasting up to 180 years, researchers found that merely asking who takes over next is an incomplete question. Succession is not a handoff, but an evolutionary process across generations, and survival depends on how families manage 3 key stages: expanding the pool of successors, selecting a leader, and retaining relationships with those who are not chosen. First, dynasties stay resilient by widening their pool of successors. This can happen slowly when grandchildren are born and signal it's time to prepare the next generation. Or it can happen suddenly when in-laws enter the family and bring outside skills, experience, or business opportunities. Next comes selection, which is often triggered by the death or forced departure of a leader. Successors are rarely simply appointed. Those who come to power through conflict often make bold changes, while those who inherit more smoothly tend to consolidate and maintain stability. Finally, retention also matters. Dynasties do well when successors maintain cooperative relationships with family members who are not selected. Ignore them, and they may become rivals. Manage them well, and they become stabilizers that help the dynasty endure. Wonder how some family businesses survive for generations while others disappear? If so, you may want to read this paper.